Now I'm doing it this way because first off, I wanted to center this. I knew there's no matter what I do, the studs are 16 inch on center. This grab bar is longer than 16 inches. And luckily, I was able to hit one screw to get in for the stud over here, but not on this side. And for the sake of argument, I wanted to line all this up perfectly. I could have gotten a different grab bar that had different attachments on the back side of that I could have done. I would have had to make bigger holes. And I've got videos for that, by the way, incidentally, on my channel. Look for that because I show you, oh man, I've got, I don't know, 6 or 7, maybe 10 videos that show how to install grab bars. Different methods, different anchors and stuff. So you might want to check those out. But because these threads, see how fat those threads are? Do you really think that if I got 3 of these in here at this location that somebody's going to be able to jerk that right out of the wall? Yeah, if you stood there and really pulled your arm out, but you're talking a 75-year-old person gonna pull that out? I don't think so. Okay, so now I can get that in there. And I like to do this by hand instead of using my battery operated drill. I don't know, I got a little bit better feel for it. And you can see it takes a little bit of effort. It might be doing that too because I'm actually screwing it through the wallpaper too. I could make that a little bit bigger hole, but I really don't want to because that's the only thing that is holding this in here are these threads. So I don't want to make that starter hole too big. Okay. Drive that baby home. There we go. Now, I'm almost ready to put this in, but I guess I should get my drill. And I'm charging it up in the other room. And what I need to do is, I'm going to take a small drill bit. I'm going to look at this. I'm going to look at the size, the width, the diameter of this screw, and I'm going to get a drill bit that's smaller than that. And I'm going to drill that in there first for a starter screw, okay? Then this will go in just fine. I got a 12-volt battery operated drill, and when you're at the store, if you want to get one of these, get the 18-volt. They last so much longer, they're more powerful and everything, but this is all I have, this is what I'm going to use. Okay, so see, this drill bit is just a little bit smaller than this, and I want to keep it about the same length as this too. I could push this in further into the shaft, but I want to drill in as far as this screw is, okay? I pull it out a little bit each time to kind of clean this off a little bit. Okay, now this screw is going to go in nice. I'm about ready to put this up.